Banners are a very useful analytic tool when creating lots of tables. Q provides two ways of setting up banners, via drag and drop and via code. Note that banners in Q are completely editable, so if you create a banner with drag and drop, you can still add columns in that are based in code. To create a banner via drag and drop, simply go to Create, Banner, Drag and Drop. A banner creation window opens. On the left are all the questions in the project. Note, these are questions, not individual variables. Their question type is indicated by the little icon before each question's name respectively. Then, left-click and drag the questions you want into the right window. You can arrange them however you like once they're in the Summary Input window. A preview of how the banner will look is shown directly below. The dragging options and the table display options are available at the bottom of the window. These are fairly self-explanatory, but if you need a further explanation, simply hover your cursor over the option and an explanatory box will appear. Name the banner whatever you wish in the box at the top. Remember, you can always return to this window to change the banner later if you wish. Click OK to save your banner, and Q applies it to a table. The banner will then be available in your drop-down menus like any other question. Banners are represented in the Variables and Questions tab as a Pick Any question. Creating a banner via code is another means that some researchers prefer. It also allows you to create more complicated definitions of your categories using logic. You simply select Create, Banner, Code, and the logic variable window will pop up. You create the first column of the banner by typing in a logic expression in the expression box. The variables available are listed above that you can use. You're not required to remember all the variable names and their codes, because right-clicking on the variables will give you that information, either via values or via Insert Reference. Inserting a reference can insert just the variable name into the expression, or specify an equality for one of the codes. In this case, by selecting D3 equals male, it will automatically insert the statement D3 equals 1, 1 being the code for males. Common operators are shown in the Common Methods panel on the right-hand side of this expression window. At the bottom of the expression window is a preview panel. This is useful to check that the expression is working as it should on a case-by-case basis. The result 1 means that the case is selected, i.e. included, for this column of the banner. If your expression has an error, the window will flag this with a red cross and give you information on where the problem lies. By default, Q does this automatically, but you can turn it off and use the Check Code button to do it manually. There's also a Save function to save the variable in the open window at any point. Hit New to create a new expression. You can scroll back and forth between the expressions in your banner using the arrow buttons at the bottom. Hover your mouse over these buttons for a reminder and explanation of their function anytime. Once complete, hit OK. Remember, banners can be edited after you create them. Simply right-click on a table where the banner is used, and you'll find the banner name towards the bottom of the context menu. Various options are shown. Edit will take you back to the arrangement window as per the drag-drop creation method. You can even add logic variables to existing banners using this context menu. You can also edit your existing logic variables. Your categories will be towards the bottom.